This would be my message to Congressman Culberson as it relates to passing the Elder Justice Act. I would encourage you to act immediately. The issues that are facing our elder population today can no longer wait. I think you would find many, many families in this country who could share horror stories with you about how their family members have been abused, either by other members of their family or caregivers who come into the home, or by medical professionals. Any kind of abuse is intolerable in our society, and there are so many Americans getting older that I just don't understand what Congress is waiting for. An advocacy campaign that shares the horror stories with you of elders being abused, of elders having to be subjected to the ignorance of people around them, is not something that we want to see in this country. If someone said to you, "What are you waiting for?" I would not have an answer. I would think that you had your eyes closed. In our society right now, it is blatant. Go look around you. I dare you, Congressman Culberson, to start looking for signs of elder abuse in society as you walk around. Go to a restaurant. Who's being mistreated? Who's being ignored? Go to a bank. Does the teller across from the person making the deposit have the patience to work with an older person? Go into someone's home. Talk to them about how someone in their family has been taken advantage of. What about the family who innocently signs the power of attorney, and now all of a sudden one of the family members who really doesn't understand what it means takes advantage of that person, and that person is now out on the street? There are hundreds of stories that we can tell you, but my message to you is do the right thing. Force Congress to act now and start taking the right steps towards having elders in our society be treated with the respect that they've earned, and then to measure our society in a way that proves we can protect those who are most vulnerable. Walk into any nursing home. Congressman, when was the last time you were in a nursing home? Start looking at the way society is just not prepared. It's not that people are all malintentioned, but the issue is one of ignorance. We are ignorant about how to work with elders effectively, and we need a society that's going to accept and learn new things. In my professional position, my job is to help educate people. I hope my message comes across to you and other members of the Congress, and in that you spring into action. There's no excuse for waiting any longer. The statistics are staring us in the face. We're getting older by the second, and our vulnerable elderly population is growing. We don't have a system now to deal with it. What are we going to do in the next couple of years? It's just going to get worse. Please do something about it today.